Okay, so I have a little haul here. I just went to a different store just to get a few things to fill in for the week. So we have some banana yogurt for Derek, some plain yogurt for myself, a bottle of white wine, 2 maple latte creamers. These are hard to find, so when we do find them, we get 2. So good. Like, I look forward to this every morning. It's amazing. And I did see that they have it in the Silk brand too. So, the almond milk one. 2 things of diced tomatoes, cheese. This one is the 3 cheese blend. Tur Formaggio. I thought it would say what cheese it had in it, but it doesn't. A head of iceberg lettuce. We love this. I love making like burgers and then using this as the bun. And carrots. I'm gonna make carrot fries tonight. Some bananas. 2 things of this 3 pepper and onion blend. It's so good and it's so easy to throw in your dishes to add some extra vegetables. And then some frozen Brussels sprouts. And then I got this thing of fruit because I thought I was gonna eat it on the way home, but I ended up getting a cheese platter thing instead to eat. So now I just have this thing of fruit, which is fine. Some spinach for my smoothies. 2 things of chicken broth, 1 thing of beef broth, an onion, a green pepper. I got this large container because we have been having a really hard time getting Tupperware containers, or like we don't know where they all went. They're all gone. So I got this one just to go along with this pack. This pack was only $14.99. And it has all these containers in it, and we really like the glass ones with the glass lids. I don't like the plastic lids. They break and they leak and it's awful. So I thought for $14.99, like, that's a good deal for all this Tupperware. And then I got, the main reason I went to this specific store, which is more expensive than when we go to normally, is for these scrub pads, because in the summer I bought the wand, but I didn't buy extra pads and they don't have them at the store that we normally go to, so I got 3 packs just so that I don't have to like make a trip out of my way again. Oh my gosh. But yeah, that was my grocery haul today, and it's pouring freezing rain, and my drive home took me like probably double the time it normally takes me because of the rain. So it was a little stress, and this guy wants his kibbles now. He's a kitty pie. Okay, so that is it for the haul, and thanks for watching. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Today I have a really simple meal. I just made it really fast, so I'm just going to show you what it is, but this is a really fast meal that you can make, really inexpensive, and really healthy. So here we go. I have these 2 pork chops from Costco. They're already marinated, so you just throw them in. I cut up a large carrot into like fry-like pieces, and then I cut up a bunch of little potatoes in 2 quarters, and then I added salt, pepper, garlic powder, and chili powder, and then I'm just gonna bake them 400 for around half an hour and kind of like flip them around in between. But that is it. It's so easy. Requires like very little effort and healthy. Try that. Okay, there it is, all cooked up. Looks really good, and it smells really good with the garlic on it. Okay, happy Wednesday. We're making ground turkey and sweet potato skillet. It's so easy and really good. So I'm just gonna brown up this ground turkey quickly, and then I'm gonna cut up my sweet potatoes and then add them in with some water and some spices. It's really good. Okay, so now that this is all browned, I added salt, pepper, chili powder, and this garlic powder into the meat, and then I'm gonna add about half a bag of this 3 pepper and onion blend, just to add some vegetables in there, and then add in the sweet potatoes. So I just added in 1 large sweet potato that I diced up and peeled, and then I added it in with the peppers and onions and ground turkey and a cup of water, and I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook for probably like 15 minutes. Okay, so these potatoes are really soft now, so I'm gonna add on some cheese, and I have this like 3 cheese blend I'm gonna put on there, and then I'm gonna put the lid back on to melt it. There it is. We dug in already. It smells good though. Happy Friday, everybody. So today we are having barbecue chicken sweet potato bowls. We did have sweet potatoes in the last recipe, but that was 2 nights ago, and then last night we ate at my parents' house, so now we're having them again, which is great because I could eat them every night. But I just have some chicken and barbecue sauce going in here, and it's been on for a couple hours now, so I'm just gonna shred it up. I just used some Sweet Baby Ray's because it's like the best barbecue sauce. And then I peeled and chopped up some sweet potatoes, and then I'm gonna add some broccoli over here with some extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, chili powder, and garlic powder. And then we're gonna put this in, and I'll show you how we put them all together. We're gonna put this in at 425 for probably like 20-25 minutes. The finished product. So I have the chicken, sweet potatoes, broccoli, and then I added some more barbecue sauce on top, and I'm gonna add this 3 cheese blend. I just put it all in a bowl, and it's really good.